This is solving rational inequalities. For number 1, we have 11 over x plus 5 is less than or equal to 2 over x minus 2. Number 2, we have 3 over 2x minus 3 is greater than 2 over x plus 4. The first step in solving rational inequalities is to transpose everything to one single side. So for this case, ilipat natin tong 2 over x minus 2 dito sa left side. So we have 11 over x plus 5. So it will become negative. We have negative 2 over x minus 2 is less than or equal to 0. The next thing is to combine this into a single fraction or rational expression. So the LCD is x plus 5 times x minus 2. And then x plus 5 times x minus 2 divided by x plus 5. We have x minus 2. So we have 11 times x minus 2 minus x minus, this whole expression here divided by x minus 2. So we have x plus 5. So we have 2 times x plus 5, is less than or equal to 0. And then let's simplify the numerator. So we have 11x minus 22 minus 2x minus 10 all over x plus 5 times x minus 2 is less than or equal to 0. So this will become, let's combine like terms. We have 11x minus 2x is 9x minus 22 minus 10, it's minus 32. All over, we have x plus 5 times x minus 2 is less than or equal to 0. Let's check whether we're correct. X plus 5, okay, divide, and then negative 2 times x plus 5, and then 11x minus 22 minus 2x minus 10, then x plus 5 over times x minus 2, and then 9x minus 32. Yeah, I think we're correct. Then the next thing you need to do is to determine the critical numbers. How do you determine the critical numbers? The critical numbers are the numbers or the values of x that will make your rational expression undefined. So ano yung mga magpapa-zero sa denominator, and also ano naman yung mga magpapa-zero sa numerator. So yung sa numerator muna, so we have 9x minus 32. So let's solve that. 9x minus 32 is equal to 0. So 9x is equal to 32. Divide everything by 9. So I have x equals 32 over 9. Now, ano naman yung mga magpapa-zero sa denominator? So, we cannot have x equals negative 5. X equals negative 5. At x equals positive 2. Positive 2. Okay. Now, ang solution sa mga rational inequality ay set of numbers. Kadalasan naka-interval notation. So, for this case, we will write the solution in interval notation. So, ang gawin lang natin, i-arrange muna natin yung mga critical numbers natin from in increasing order. So, we will start with negative 5. Cn means critical numbers. We have negative 5, followed by 2, followed by 32 over 9. Okay. So, ilagay lang natin sila. Ito ang tawag nila dito fishbowl method. Okay. Alamin natin asan yung boundaries ng solution na magiging tama dito sa rational inequality natin. So, we have negative 5, 2, and 32 over 9. Ngayon, since okay lang na maging 32 over 9 yung solution, kasi pag 32 over 9, let's substitute it here. 0 to, hindi magiging 0 yung denominator. So, 0 is less than or equal to 0. So, okay lang yan. So, we'll have a straight line here. May paliwanag ko kung bakit mahalaga na gawin natin to. And then x plus 5, negative 5 hindi pwede kahit anong mangyari kasi magiging 0 yung denominator. So, gawin natin broken line lang. Okay? And then for 2, since hindi rin pwede si 2, broken line. Okay. And then, ilagay lang natin dito sa tabihan yung mga factors. So, the first one is 9x minus 32. Factors ng numerator tsaka denominator. 9x minus 32. So, first one, x plus 5. And then x minus 2. Okay. Gawin natin, iisipin natin kung ano yung mga signs nitong mga to kapag yung una, mas mababa sa 5. Mas mababa sa negative 5. So, kung mas mababa sa negative 5, anong sign nito? Think of a number na mas mababa sa negative 5. Say, for instance, negative 100. And then substitute it here. So you will notice, negative to, this will become negative also, this is negative also. So lahat ng sign na negative, lahat dito sa sign na to. And then think of a number between negative 5 and 2, substitute it here, then tingnan mo kung anong lalabas na sign. Think of a number again between 2 and 32 over 9, substitute ulit, isa-isa dito, and then determine what the sign is. And then think of a number greater than 32 over 9, and then substitute again, and then determine the sign. But, since this is a fishbowl method, so, ang ginagawa dito, what will make this 0? It's 32 over 9. Okay? What will make this 0? It's negative 5. What will make this 0? We have 2. We'll start with negative. Negative, negative, negative. Once na nandito ka na, you will change sign. So, it will become plus. For this case, negative. This is your boundary. You will change sign. Plus, plus, plus. Then negative, negative. Negative lagi yung start. Negative, negative. Then change sign. We have plus, plus. Okay? Now, since this is one single expression divided by the product, so we have negative divided by negative times negative. So it's negative divided by negative times negative. This will become positive. So negative over positive, it's negative. Let's write the expression here. 9x minus 32 over x plus 5 over x minus 2. Lagyan din ng go ahead para alam natin na yun yung final natin titingnan. So, this is positive. So, negative divided by positive. So, it's negative. Negative divided by the product of this is positive. Pinagmumultiply natin tong dalawang to kasi multiply din sila dito sa denominator. So, negative divided by negative, it's positive. Diba? Negative divided by positive, it's negative. And everything is positive, so we have positive. Now, balik tayo dito sa simplified form natin. So, asan daw to na less than or equal to 0? So, ibig sabihin, nasan siya na negative. Okay? So, alin lang yung mga negative natin dito. So, we have here and here. Okay, dito na ngayon papasok yung paggawa natin ng interval notation. So, ito yung nandito, yung mga boundaries natin. So, mula 32 over 9. So, since kasama si 32 over 9, ayun yung significance ng straight line. 32 over 9 hanggang kay 2. Kaso hindi kasama si 2. So, parentheses. And then for this case, mula negative 5, hindi rin kasama si negative 5. And then, to negative infinity. Negative infinity. Then you will get the union. Okay? So, this is your final answer. Okay? I'll be solving the other item sa kabilang video.